Welcome to IndiaPulse at ISB, the January 28, 2021 edition. Today, we are going to look at what happened to informal jobs during COVID. So what you see here are two maps. The maps in the purple here shows what percent of the population was looking for Manrega. This is a scheme that was introduced by the government, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which says that if you don't have a job for a certain number of days, you can be guaranteed a job at some amount of minimum wages. So what it means is that if people don't have jobs, they're going to apply for Manrega. So you see percent of the population in different states that enroll for Manrega. That suggests joblessness. These are informal workers. So if they don't have jobs, they're going to look for Manrega. Okay, so for example, we see in January of 2020, in some states, the demand for Manrega was pretty high, like 18% here. If you hover over Rajasthan, pretty small in January of 2020. Look at Chhattisgarh over here, about 5%. So darker the color, more the demand for Manrega, which means this is a sign of unemployment for informal workers. This shows economic activity as measured by the GST collected per person. So in January, the economic activity was pretty strong, although variations across states. But when you go down to April, you see that economic activity is basically died. This is the COVID effect. If I go to Madhya Pradesh, for example, April takes a dip in terms of GST collection, and by June, the Manrega demand goes way up. So there's a little bit of lag, and you see that once people are unemployed, they're going to sign up for Manrega. Look at May. A lot of states, the Manrega demand has gone up. By June, even more states. Look at Rajasthan, has become very dark now. Okay, and things will start to get better in July, a little bit better, in August, again a little bit better, and you see by December, things are getting better, but they're not quite the same level as 2019. So here's a button that shows you what happened in 2019. 2019 was better. 2020 November still looks bad. And if you go to December, let's go to December here, yeah, you still see a lot of states have informal workers looking for jobs. So that's our insight for today, that there is a lag. Manrega demand picks up after the economic activity goes down, and there are variations across states, and you can hover over this to see both the economic activity and the level of informal jobs that people are seeking, which is a sign of unemployment. So again, IndiaPulse at ISB, powered by Transfer Technologies and generously funded by Omidyar Network.